Yindaba uMisizulu Makhanya uthi akaqualify ukuhlala esihlalweni. Nansi impendulo, uMisizulu uzalwa isibeletho esingcolileyo. Isibeletho sikabani? Isibeletho sikaMntana wenkosi uMantombi Dlamini oqhamuka ebukhosini baseSwatini.
A few moments later.
Lithuba ke ngithe angenze le video yokuxolisa eyinkulumweni zami esezithe zahamba zafinyelela eindaweni ezithile esizweni sakithi kaZulu. So ngibuya nale video ngizwakalisa ukuxolisa okukhulu kulezo nkulumo zami. Ngiye ngiboneka abanye bayayithatha lezo nkulumo bayisebenzisele ama-likes laphayana ko-YouTube nakhona la ku-TikTok, njengoba nje ngisithatha lesinyathelo sokuthi ngiwahoxise amazwi wonke esengake ngawakhuluma ngesilo noma nje ngesihlalo, ngoba eqinisweni akaze mina ngathuka isizwe, akaze futhi ngakhuluma kabi ngesizwe. Ngithi-ke angehlele ngezansi ngoba kwesinye isikhathi into ayikwazi ukuba noma ingaba right kanjani into, kodwa meke yaphikiswa yiningi nobu-right bayo buba uburongi. Ngithi-ke mina-ke ngiyavuma ukuthi amabutho ahlangene angiphikisa ey'nkulumweni zami futhi angilokhuza, angixwayisa. Ngithi-ke njengengane kaZulu, njengengane yenu maZulu, ngiyakwamukela ukuxwayiseka, ngiyaxwayiseka futhi ngiyanithembisa ukuthi ukuziphatha kwami kuzokhula kakhulu, kuzoshintsha.
Hello everyone, Ngiyanothisanoke and welcome to my channel. So that was the infamous TikToker Max Makhanya, who rose to fame for vocalizing his disapproval of the Zulu King and insulting him. He is now in deep trouble as Amabutho commander Induna Sipho Mhlongo has ordered a manhunt for him. Max has been making derogatory remarks about King Misuzulu, but the one that broke the camel's back was when he said King Misuzulu was carried by a dirty womb, the womb of Queen Mantombi Dlamini, daughter of the King of Eswatini. Now, the Amabutho commander Sipho Mhlongo said they asked the Makhanya Tribal Authority to bring the TikToker Max to them for a discussion. I wonder if he'll have the nerve to utter all the remarks he's boldly saying on TikTok. Anyway, Mhlongo said Max is believed to be in Joburg, prompting Amabutho in the city to hunt him down. He went on to say no one talks about their king like that. He says they don't force anyone to respect their king. However, they don't want anyone disrespecting their king either.
Usuku namhlanje sivuka nenye indaba kaMax ekhuluma ngendaba yokuthi isibeletho sika Mntana enkosi asibanga sihle, yonke lonto leyo ingamanyala aphindiwe esizweni. Angazi ukuthi ibeletho zabantu abadala uzazingana, kodwa sibona ukuthi ukuze lento ilunge sekuzofanele ukuthi sisukume phansi ke thina manje njengempi yesilo sivikele ihlalo ezitheni nakuba sazi vele ukuthi lo Max lo ayisuki kuyo lento, emva kwakhe khona bakhona. Siyimiseleke ukuthi ake sibhekane nalesimo kusuka manje, ngoba lento leyehlisa isithunzi sesilo. Akekho umuntu owuZulu nje nozwelana noZulu nje ongavumela lenkulumo esho uMakhanya. Ngakho kusezandleni zethu ukuthi ake siyitreat ngendlela ezokwazi ukuthi nathi sigculise sigcine sijabulile, ngoba isijabulisi lento iyenziwa uMakhanya.
If you are enjoying this video, please kindly like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. Now, obviously, the TikToker is shaking in his boots. After a lengthy video attempting to apologize, he has recorded another video alerting police officials that if anything happens to him, Amabutho commander Sipho Mhlongo is the culprit. He probably thought he was Kanye West and could say anything on social media without consequences, but the Zulu nation is not America. He was bold enough to utter derogatory remarks about the late queen, who was someone's mother. Now Amabutho just wants a discussion with him.
yako Mayville abangangithola njengamanje uthe balikhiphile ithimba lakhe lezinkabi ukuthi alingifune igoli lonke. So nina ke bezomthetho enginihlonipha kakhulu uma ngingavelelwa inoma intoni kusukela manje kuya phambili umuntu ozobe ngibulele ubaba uSipho Mhlongo owumdidiyeli webutho laSondini. Nangu ke lo baba engikhuluma ngaye ake nimbuke.